Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's bare early in the morning. It's like a Sunday, like hella early. I'm never up at this time at all. I got the coupe top on and we're literally at the garage already, just about to start the coupe, and then we're going to take it to mine and we're going to start welding in these sections, man. It's going to be a big day. So let's get into it. Next clip we should be on the way there, hopefully. I've got to pump up the tyres actually and get some petty, so let's do it. Let's get into it. Already spotted another spider on here. We're active. We're fucking active. We are fucking active in the place. Let's get it. I can't believe I'm driving that. It's fucking crazy. Can't see no rust back there. I think it was just behind that bit. That was actually a bit thinner there, so I reckon it just rusted from behind. Don't think I need to cut that out anymore, which is good. So I can just weld this section, those front bits and that bit. Alright guys, so we're basically at that halfway mark now. So we literally cut up all those sections, got it ready. So yeah man, I reckon it won't take us long. Do that front bit, the small bit to the side of it, then hopefully the CV boot. I think the hardest bit's going to be getting the metal in the right shape, but we've got the bench grinder, angle grinder. Just making a quick cup of tea, cup of coffee, so let's get into it. That's in. Just need to weld in. Just need to do that bit there, that little hole, and then that top bit, and then that. So basically guys, it is the same day. I know I'm changed now out of the coupe hoodie, but basically what happened was I smashed my phone while doing all the welding and that. So it's all mad. It's all mad. Basically what happened was I dropped the angle grinder like this far off the wheel onto the camera, onto my phone, and it smashed my screen. So I basically didn't record like half of the shit I done basically. So I'm just gonna jack up now and show you what I got done. Fucking hell, he's got the stage 2. Yeah, so I'm gonna jack up and I'll show you what I've done. But I'm pretty happy with it. I've basically done it. I need to do a bottom section, but I'll show you it now. It's alright. we're going to put it on a jack stand. I'm just going to do it to show you guys real quick. Oh, should I do it? You'll be able to see. Oh yeah, you can see the bookiest episode. Like the last few episodes I've done, like every time my camera or something's fucked up, it's so peak. Like the one before, I lost like the last 10 minutes of the episode because I deleted the footage before uploading the vid, all sorts of shit. That other one, the audio went out of sync. Like fuck, it's been a nightmare, honestly, guys. But yeah, here it is. Here's what. So yeah, that's it. Done that side. Got that bit in. Don't even look too bad. The welds are obviously terrible because I couldn't get in there properly. But yeah, I've got that bit to fit in, and I've just got to do a section. Oh, that's so sketchy. Sorry. Yeah. So then I've got to cut a section for along this bottom piece here, and then that will all be done. Then I need to do a little bit for underneath these little bits that hold the pipes. Sorry, underneath that, you can see there's a little gap there. I need to do that section, but we're pretty much there. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I can grind down the welds like I did on this side here, and then yeah, I'll be happy, man. But yeah, bit by bit, we're getting it done. This come in handy, mate. Fuck yeah, no. Couple near ones, mate. Do you know what I'm saying? Couple flames. Jeez. Super weird though. I was actually in it, driving it. Drives so good. Yeah, love it, mate. Love it.